Are you looking for a home that's convenient to shopping, eating, the mall, the movies, Tanger Outlets? Well, Forest Lakes is an amazing community, and they're selling a Richmond floor plan right here from Landmark 24. We're gonna go check out. This is a 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath home with 2,828 square feet. All right, let's do it.
Camera ready, action. Yeah, I do it like. Lights, camera ready, action. Do you know what I mean?
Here's the front of the home. I love the two-tone cream they got going on. 2-car garage from the front. Like I said, this community is super awesome. They're building a whole bunch of homes out here. So if you're looking to buy a home in the heart of Pooler that's brand new, definitely can get this one, the Richmond floor plan. Let's go check it together. I've gone through it a couple times, but here I'm gonna take you through it too. I like the elevated ceilings they got. 9-foot ceilings. How big is your Christmas tree? It can be at least 9 foot. Here's your flex room. Could be a dining room, but I mean, there's plenty of space out here too. So this is, I mean, unbelievable space when you're talking about living room combined with kitchen. If you're looking for a party, I mean, like if you're having a party, you're gonna be a part of it. If you're cooking, if the family's just watching TV, I mean, you're a part of it. I mean, all the action is happening in one location. There's a little dining area right here. This is your elevated kitchen right here. Dual oven, range on or cooktop on the counter. This is quartz countertop too, and I love this color of the cabinets right here. Corner pantry, you see, this one's got the LG appliances. So these are all upgraded appliances. Then you got a little fireplace action going on over here. Super nice. I mean, where would you put your Christmas tree? I'm thinking, probably over there. I don't know. My wife makes that decision. I don't make that decision. Of course, you got a covered porch, which we're gonna go out to next. You got a half bath that's over here off the side by your 2-car garage. Let's check out the garage real quick. You saw it from the front. Now this is from the inside. Yep. It's the inside of a 2-car garage. There it is. And then you got yourself your half bath right here. Bang, this is that half from the 2.5. All right, now we're gonna go upstairs. Let's do it. As you come upstairs, you see there's a loft right in front of you. We're gonna get to that loft, but first we're gonna go to the primary bedroom. Now there's several, I mean, look how big this room is. You could fit another Christmas tree in here if you want to. Good gravy. You could have endless amounts of furniture in here. I mean, you have enough space to do Lucy, Ricky, Ricardo style beds in here, 2 king size beds if you wanted to. Tons of space if you wanted to make like that area maybe like a sitting area, maybe over here like a bedding area. I mean, the possibilities are completely endless. All right, tile floor in the bathroom. Dual vanity, once again, that quartz, and I love the color of the cabinets is awesome. This one's got, look at that big shower right there. Bang, tiled all the way up, glassed in. Love that. And then they got endless closets here. So you got this closet right here. Bang. You come back here, here's another closet. Bang. And then if you just have a ton of towels and blankets, I mean, they got all kinds of space for that as well. So they love their closets here. And then of course you got a water closet. So right there. So 15 closets in this bathroom alone. And I don't want to forget tray ceilings, crown molding on the inside. It feels good. Another thing about new construction I keep forgetting to mention is that when you're talking about living in the Savannah area, I mean, it gets hot in the summertime. I mean, really, really hot. These are very efficient, so you're not gonna be paying that massive power bill that you will on some of them older homes that are not as good, well insulated as these with the new windows, like new standards. So your power bill is not gonna be as expensive when you come to a brand new home, typically. Now, unless there's a problem with it. Man, look at this. I love this loft. What could you do in here? I would think you have a little PlayStation area for the kids. Because they can get their, hang out here, play games or whatever. That's pretty cool. These rooms are just big. Landmark 24, wow. I mean, they got some big rooms in here. And I think we got one more. Is that correct? Yeah, one more. I think this one is probably, looks like the smallest, but you could still put a king size bed in there if you wanted to. Probably more comfortable with a queen. And then you get your full bathroom right here. And what I do like is they think about you. So if someone wants to take a shower or do other business, they can still come, other people can still come here and get ready. So like you're never clogging the entire bathroom. Now, I don't know how you feel about if someone's, using the bathroom, but man, what a great floor plan. Let's go out to the back. All right, so we're leaving the kitchen area, living room area, going out to the back. Like I said, covered porch. This one's available, so if you want one with there's nothing behind you, this is a great one. But look at the covered porch, brace for the fan. You can be smoking your ribs out here while you're hanging out in there. You could easily screen this in if you want to, make this a lounging area, but man, look at this. Like I said, you can't get closer to Pooler if you couldn't get closer to everything Pooler has to offer if you tried. So that's a Richmond floor plan by Landmark 24. If you have any questions about this home or any Landmark 24 home, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.